Let's talk about pain. So pain in temporal tract, or the anterolateral tract, or the spinal thalamic tract. Let's begin with an injury to the right hand. A signal coming from the site of injury will travel up to the brain, and this is where the perception of the pain is essentially felt. This pathway to the cerebrum is known as the ascending pathway. I digress. Back to the reception of our initial stimulus, our initial, ow, fuck, that hurt. So, the received signal will travel from the receptor, the nociceptor, to the dorsal root ganglion, which is the first order neuron cell body, and will continue to migrate into the spinal cord and travel up approximately 2 levels via the dorsolateral fasciculus. Then it will synapse with the nucleus proprius cell body, so these are the second order cell bodies. So the second order neuron will cross over to the other side, or decussate, into the lateral portion of the spinal thalamic tract. From here, the second order neuron will continue to ascend through the brainstem and terminate with the thalamus of the brain. The thalamus is the relay station, so the second order neuron, or the spinal thalamic tract, will synapse with the ventral posterior lateral nucleus of the thalamus, and will relay this information to the part of the brain that is associated with the location of the injury. Thus, the cerebrum here helps discourse the origin of the stimulus, and the cortex here is where the perception of the pain occurs. It is important to note that we are now on the left side, whereas the stimuli was found on the right hand, meaning sensation is always on the opposite side to where the stimulus occurred.